The Delta CO₂ Laser Writer from Ackley Hartnett is a high-speed pharmaceutical laser marking system designed for precise, permanent marking of tablets and capsules in oral solid dose manufacturing. Utilizing CO₂ laser technology, the system delivers clear, high-quality marking without the use of inks or solvents, providing a clean and efficient solution for pharmaceutical production environments. The Delta platform is designed to support reliable product handling and consistent marking performance across a range of tablet and capsule formats. Its configuration allows for efficient operation, ease of use, and flexibility when working with different product types. The Delta CO₂ Laser Writer is designed for high-throughput manufacturing environments, delivering consistent performance and reliable output for pharmaceutical marking applications. Engineered with operator safety in mind, the system includes appropriate laser safety features to support safe operation in regulated environments.